Imagine creating animated videos, cinematic scenes, and moving characters without learning animation software, without coding, and without expensive equipment. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today, AI has completely changed animation forever. In this video, I'll show you the best AI-generated animation tools for beginners, how they work, what they can create, and how you can start making animations today, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome to CareU Animation. Let's begin. What is AI-generated animation? AI-generated animation means using artificial intelligence to turn text, images, or ideas into animated videos. Instead of drawing frame by frame, you simply write what you want, and AI creates motion, effects, and scenes for you. Think of it like this. Your idea plus AI power equals animation. This is perfect for students, content creators, YouTubers, beginners, anyone who wants fast results. Now let's explore the top AI animation tools one by one. Tool number 1, Runway ML. Let's start with one of the most powerful AI animation tools for beginners, Runway ML. Runway lets you create stunning animated videos without learning animation software or coding. With Runway, you can turn simple text into videos, animate still images, remove backgrounds in one click, add cinematic camera movement, and even edit videos using AI. Here's how easy it is. First, open Runway and choose Image to Video. Next, upload an image of a stick man walking on a city at sunset with cinematic lighting, and write a simple prompt for making it as animated video, like a stick man walking on a city street at sunset with cinematic lighting. Click Generate, and that's it. In seconds, AI creates a smooth animated scene for you automatically. It will create 5 seconds video, and it is amazing and in accordance with the prompt. No animation skills required, no complex tools, just your idea and AI doing the work. Runway is perfect for creating YouTube animations, storytelling videos, explainer content, and cinematic shots that look professional. If you're a beginner and want fast results, Runway ML is one of the best places to start.
Tool number 2, Meta AI. Now let's talk about tool number 2, Meta AI, one of the most exciting AI tools for beginners in animation and video creation. Meta AI is developed by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and it's designed to make creativity simple for everyone. What makes Meta AI amazing is that it allows you to create videos from text and videos from images without any animation software, without coding, and without paid subscriptions. Yes, you can start for free. Text to video with Meta AI. With Meta AI, you can simply describe a scene in words, like create an animated video where 2 5-year-old kids riding colorful cycles on the road in hilly area and green grass on the roadside. In seconds, Meta AI turns that text into a short animated video with motion, depth, and smooth transitions. No timeline, no keyframes, just your imagination. Image to video magic. Meta AI can also animate still images. Upload a picture, describe the movement, like walking, waving, or camera motion, and Meta AI brings that image to life. This is perfect for animated stories, YouTube visuals, shorts and reels, beginner animation projects. Why Meta AI is perfect for beginners. Meta AI is easy to use, beginner-friendly, free to access, fast and powerful. You don't need experience. You don't need expensive tools. If you can write or upload an image, you can create animation. Select video in the Meta AI with 16:9 ratio and upload in still image and give prompt for animation. Within few seconds, Meta AI will turn the image into video with animation as prompted. Meta AI proves one thing clearly: animation is no longer hard, it's for everyone.
Tool number 3, Leonardo AI. Imagine creating a beautiful animated video using only a single line of text. No camera, no animation skills, and no video editing required. Sounds impossible? Today, I'm introducing Leonardo AI, a powerful AI tool designed for high-quality image creation and now an impressive text-to-video generator. This tool allows anyone, beginners or professionals, to turn simple ideas into cinematic visuals within seconds. Leonardo AI is especially popular for creating realistic scenes, animated characters, 3D environments, and even Pixar-style videos. Whether you are a YouTube creator, digital artist, educator, or marketer, this tool can completely change the way you create content. Now, let me show you a quick demo. First, open Leonardo AI and select the text-to-video option. In the prompt box, paste this text. Create a cinematic 3D Pixar-style animated video of a young, beautiful woman confidently walking along a wide road in a modern big city. She has a graceful walk, natural smile, expressive eyes, and soft, stylized facial features typical of Pixar animation quality. After pasting the prompt, simply click on Generate. Within moments, Leonardo AI creates an amazing 6-second cinematic animated video. Notice the smooth walking motion, realistic lighting, detailed city background, and that classic Pixar-style animation quality, all generated automatically from text. This is the real power of Leonardo AI. It saves time, removes technical barriers, and allows your creativity to come to life instantly. If you want to create professional-looking images and videos using AI, Leonardo AI is definitely a tool you should try. Start creating, start experimenting, and turn your ideas into stunning visuals today. Tool number 4, Pictory AI, free text-to-video tool. Now let's talk about Pictory AI, one of the best free online tools for converting text into engaging videos. Pictory AI allows you to turn simple text or a full script into a professional video within minutes, no video editing skills required. This makes it perfect for motivational content, educational videos, and social media posts. For this demo, we'll use a motivational script about learning AI and earning online. First, copy your motivational voiceover text, the one encouraging young people to learn AI, work smarter, earn online, and make life easier using AI tools. Now, open Pictory AI in your browser and choose the option Script to Video. Paste the full text into the script box and click Proceed. Pictory AI will automatically break your script into scenes and match each line with relevant visuals, stock videos, AI-generated visuals, and text animations applied instantly. Next, choose a clean and modern video style. Select a background music track that sounds motivational and uplifting. Then add an AI voiceover or upload your own recorded voice for a more personal touch. You can easily edit each scene, change visuals, adjust text timing, or highlight keywords like AI, learn, earn, future, and success. Within just a few minutes, your motivational AI learning script is transformed into a high-quality video, ready for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Shorts. This is the power of Pictory AI, turning ideas into videos, saving time, and helping you create professional content for free. That's why Pictory AI earns its place as tool number 4 in our list of free AI text-to-video tools. Tool number 5 is Luma Dream Machine, a powerful AI tool that creates stunning videos from simple text prompts. If you can imagine it, you can create it. Meet Demi, our creative guide. Demi helps us understand how AI turns words into cinematic motion. Luma Dream Machine is designed for beginners and professionals alike. You don't need cameras, animation skills, or editing experience. All you need is a clear idea and a well-written prompt. First, open Luma Dream Machine in your browser and sign in. Once inside, you'll see a simple prompt box waiting for your idea. Now, write your prompt. Be clear and descriptive. For example, describe the scene, the style, the lighting, and the mood. The better your description, the better your video. After writing your prompt, click Generate. Within seconds, Luma Dream Machine brings your words to life with smooth motion, realistic lighting, and cinematic quality. Demi reminds us that on the free plan, it's best to keep videos short and generate multiple clips for better results. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, educators, marketers, and storytellers who want to create professional videos without expensive equipment. With Luma Dream Machine, creativity is no longer limited by skill or budget. As Demi says, your imagination is the real engine behind AI video creation. Conclusion. So today, you've seen how AI has completely changed animation forever, from Runway ML to Meta AI, Leonardo AI, Pictory AI, and Luma Dream Machine. You no longer need animation skills, expensive software, or years of experience. All you need is an idea and the courage to start. These tools prove that animation is now fast, simple, and accessible to everyone. If you're a student, creator, or beginner dreaming of making videos, this is your moment. Start experimenting, keep learning, and turn your imagination into motion. This is just the beginning of your AI animation journey with CareU Animation.